Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, and welcome back to Jamie Photography. So, I'm just going to give you a little bit of a rundown of the workshops I've got running on in 2024. It's quite exciting. If you go to my website here, jrmathlin.uk, you'll be able to have a look at the workshops, which I'm just about to show you. But also, you can find a little bit out about me, see the gallery with some of my images that I have, and also you can pick up a sky pack. I currently have a night sky pack of both JPEGs and DNG files if you wanted to download some very high resolution night skies. So yeah, workshops 2024. If you go to the website here and you can see what's available. Now we've got two confirmed workshops running at the moment. Still working on the September trip, working with the hotels and just seeing what's available, trying to find the best deals really at the end of the day. Because one of the things I really want to try to do is bring affordable workshops to people so they can come and spend some time with me and come to some beautiful cities in Europe to have a look at how I do photography and how together we can build on your skills and your strengths to improve your photography. And of course, the main focus for me being day to night, which I do love so much, I must admit. But yeah, we've got two dates currently confirmed. We've got London for the 18th of May and Paris for the 8th of June. They're both 7-night trips. They're fully inclusive. Let me just click here on London. If you click more information, you'll find a little bit about the information and the dates it runs from and to 8 days, 7 nights. But they're fully inclusive and they include for all your meals, morning, breakfast and evening meal. You will need to cover your own lunch. And it includes for the hotel, and we will stay at a very nice hotel, not overly expensive. As I say, I'm trying to keep the prices down, but certainly somewhere very comfortable and friendly. And we'll also include for all of your travel well once you've arrived at the hotel for that week. So I'll make sure that we keep the group together and we move around. I also don't make my groups too big. I like to limit the number in the group so we have a lot more one-to-one time, and we can work more closely to try to improve your photography. What I also do is every afternoon of each day we'll also have 3 hours in the conference room at the hotel, working together to work through the images that we've taken the day before, and we'll also try to find ways to help you improve your outputs with your photography. So you will need to bring with you a laptop computer as well as your camera, so that we can actually do some of the processing together. And trust me, when we're side by side, face to face, I can really help you make some progress and find a way to develop your own style really with photography. So you see here, I put the prices in. I give an option if you want to bring a partner, so they're sharing the same room with you. You can do that as well. So I've been asked if there's like a husband and wife team, and they're both photographers. That would it be okay to just pay for the two partners and come on? And I've got to be honest, that's okay. Really, I just need to know in advance so that we know the numbers. I think as I go through here, I just say partners are welcome to join the trip as well. So yeah, I want to make it as friendly and happy as possible. I did one last year in London. It was a real success. Made some great friends, had a great time, and we can work together going forward. And also one of the benefits is if you do come on one of my workshops, then you automatically will get, as time goes forward, sky packs that I develop and any other extras that I put on the site. We'll automatically get those because you've been with me on the workshop. So that was the London trip, and the Paris trip here. Looking forward to it. Love Paris, beautiful, romantic city, wonderful place. So we'll go in the summer, early summer, 8th of June, 7 nights, same thing, and we'll go shoot some of the absolutely exquisite architecture that you can find in Paris. And I know exactly where to go. I know the places to be at the right time. I can show you how to shoot some shots just like these that I'm showing you here. We can really, really make some magic. Really have some fun. So again, we'll cover day to night as part of that as well, and you'll find the itinerary much like the London trip. You'll also find the Paris trip's itinerary here as well, what we do each day. So there is a dawn rise. We do get up most mornings for dawn, and we do watch the sunrise, and we also watch the sunset in the evenings, and we organize our eating around those so we can get some of the best blue hour and golden hour from the area. So slightly, a little bit, just a little bit more expensive in Paris. The hotels are just a little bit more expensive than they are in London. Trying to keep it affordable and reasonable, so that people can have a good time. Last workshop, which as I say, I'm still working on, is the medieval Englands. I will have the information up shortly. And we're going to start 3 nights in London. We're then going to go to Winchester, on to Salisbury, where there's a fabulous medieval cathedral. We're going to do a dawn at Stonehenge. So we'll see sunrise at Stonehenge, hoping the weather will be good for us. September's a good time of year to go across south of England. And then after that, we'll end up in Bath, a beautiful ancient city with history that goes back over 2,000 years. It's a fantastic place to visit. So if you are interested in the medieval cities trip, then go to my contact page and drop me a note on my contact page. Let me know, and then as soon as the information is available, I'll make sure that it's emailed to you, as well as letting you know that it's on the website. So yeah, it would be good to see you. I think the London trip closes for deposits towards the end of February. The Paris trip is towards middle end of March. So just to keep an eye out for that. And you can pay a deposit now, which is fully refundable if you decide you can't come, up to about 2 weeks before the trip. So because at that point I have to commit to the hotels. So yeah, that's it. That's my workshops for this year. So if you are interested, take a look. Always contact me if you've got any questions, and I would love to see you on the trip. So for now, I'm going to say bye-bye.